Yeah, that's the first instance of when I found out that she was writing bad checks.
Okay, and that was for the wedding, correct?
Yeah, that was for the wedding.
Okay. And you admit that, right?
Yes.
But then that wasn't the last. That was just the first check, right?
There's been, I think, 2 or 3
And
more.
that did hit the fans. So you'd think big wake-up call there.
Yeah.
But that didn't stick because you did. In fact, I actually have it. There is this check that was, Junior, this was for $50, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir, it was.
Yeah, this was a wedding gift check, and what you did here was you went and added a 9 to the 50 so you could scam $900, right?
Yes.
And did you deposit it or cash it? What did you do with it?
I deposited it.
You deposited it,
I want to know what
and
you did.
it got actually added to your account, right?
Yes.
So they missed the fact that it said $50 here. They just read the number up there, $900, and so you, at that point, had stolen $900.
Yes.
And this was from someone that gave you a gift.
Yes.
So someone gives you a gift,
Oh,
and rather
He's
than a thank you
leaving
note, you
you.
steal $900 from them.
Yes, that's what I did.
the
I've been
lonely
doing this for
face.
so long.